Oh,
No,
it's manageable. Yeah.
Like that.
Very
We've
small.
had a few little issues. We've had to replace the ignition pack. We had one of the ignition packs went down.
Yeah.
It was only.
It broke down, didn't it?
Well, when it was hot, when it was getting hot, it was only.
Yeah.
It was only one of the mags was dropping out.
What's the TBOs on these?
Well, they keep increasing it. I think to start with, it was like 1,200.
Yeah.
And then I think it's up to at least 3,000 hours now.
Good Lord.
I think so.
Amazing.
Yeah.
And what do you do? Send it away then, do you?
Well, yeah, you get. I suppose
you can get somebody to.
Get somebody to do it. I mean, we've had the gearbox looked at twice because you need to have that serviced at every.
Yeah.
I think that's every 400 hours.
It's a tiny little gearbox, isn't it?
Yeah.
Minute.
But there again, because it's only 80 horsepower, that it doesn't. Everything lasts a bit longer than because the next one is the 100 horsepower. This is the. This is the 912. Well, there's the 912S, which is a high compression one, which is 100 horsepower, which is a bit more, not quite as nice. Doesn't tick over as nice and smooth because it's high compression. You've got a slipper clutch on that.
Right.
Then you've got the 914, which is the one turboed. Then you've got the injected one, which is the 914 is 115 horsepower. The 91, the fuel injected, they go up to about 130 horsepower now.
Do they?
I think so, yeah. Fuel injected and turboed.
So there's about 400 hours. You look at that, do you?
Yeah, we
about 400 hours.
Just take it off.
Yeah.
Take it to the chap at West who does it for us, Kevin Dill, because he's a Rotax bloke, qualified.
Ah.
And he overhauls it for me. Take it for about.
Not difficult to get off, really, is it? Yeah.
Take it all off. Yeah, we had a little crack in the frame.
Yeah, where was that?
Somewhere down here.
Yeah.
Up here. It was the inspector who found it.
Right.
On the annual inspection.
You've probably been there for a long time, Martin. You never know.
We've had a little water leak, and we've had to have this all welded up because it's an aluminium header tank.
Yes.
And they were all, I think they were, what do they call it? All these little outlets were fastened in with. They put it in an oven, and it's like braised in an oven. You know, they coat it all.
Yeah.
Put them all together. They're all coated, and then they heat the whole thing up.
Oh, I see.
Until the bronze or whatever it is melts.
Yes.
And then that's it. Well,
sort of sweated in.
Yes, it's called. It's got a name. It's something brazing, I think.
I think I know what you mean.
And
they do.
One of them was developed a leak.
Yeah.
So we.
You just got to keep your eyes on it.
We had it all TIG welded. They're all been TIG welded up now.
No trouble since. No.
And it's been perfect since.
Brilliant.
But you got the trouble is finding somebody who will do it.
Yeah, this is it.
What you've got to do is not tell them it's off an aeroplane.
Yeah.
As soon as you tell them
as soon as it's an aeroplane, the price goes up, doesn't it?
No.
Yeah.
They won't do it. Don't want to do
it. Don't want to do it.
They won't do it. Oh, I can't touch that. It's not a minefield.